Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are looking for a way to take your technical analysis to the next level, then you are in the right place, okay? In this video, we are just going to be diving into how to use the best support resistance indicator on TradingView to improve your trades, okay? So support and resistance are two of the most important concepts in trading. Unlike okay, there are areas where price got to and got rejected. There are zones on your chart where the price got to but couldn't break beyond that point or that zone, right? So here we have a support zone, here we have a resistance zone, for example. Okay, so actually understanding where price is likely to reverse or find obstacles is crucial for any successful trader. Okay, and having the right tools to spot these key levels can make all the difference. So in this video, we're just going to be walking you through how to set up the indicator and how to use it for better trading trades and exits, and how it can help you minimize risk and maximize your trading potential. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Meanwhile, let us just get started. So first of all, let's quickly talk about what support and resistance are. Okay, support levels are where price tends to find a floor. Okay, a floor during a downtrend. Now, this is where buyers typically step in and prevent the price from falling further. Resistance levels, on the other hand, they act as a ceiling where selling pressure tends to push the price down during an uptrend. So these levels are vital because they help us understand where price might reverse or stall. Okay, if we can identify these areas correctly, we can enter trades with a better understanding of the price's potential behavior. But understanding support and resistance manually can be time consuming and tricky. That's where the best support resistance indicator on TradingView comes in. Okay, now let's just get to the fun part, setting up the indicator on TradingView. Okay, if you don't have an account already, go ahead and sign up for free on TradingView. Once you're logged in, open the chart of your preferred currency, pair, stock, or asset. Then on the left hand side of the screen, you'll see the indicators button. You click on that and you type in support resistance. Okay, type in support and resistance into the search bar. So you click on indicators, you type support resistance. Sorry for the going back. So we're just going to be using support resistance channels. Okay, you can see when you click on that, you can see how it automatically identifies support and resistance zones for you on your chart. All right, now you can see that it have identified key levels for you automatically. Now that the indicator is on your chart, let's talk about how to interpret the lines and use them in your trading. Now, as for support levels, okay, the support levels which are represented by these green lines, right, or rather the green zones, okay, they represent support levels, right? Now, these are price zones where the market has previously bounced upwards, right? As you can see, price areas where the price has previously bounced upward. Now, these levels can act as entry points for buy trades when price approaches them. Then as for the resistance levels, the red lines represent resistance, or rather the red zones. These are areas where price has previously hit the ceiling and reversed down. Now, if the market approaches resistance, it's often a good place to consider shorting or staying out of a buy trade. Okay? Then in terms of breakouts and retests, pay attention to breakouts, all right? If price breaks through a support, right, or through a resistance, it indicates that the market is shifting direction. Now, a breakout is a strong signal. Okay, you can see like what happened here. Okay, it's a strong signal. But sometimes the price will retest the broken level, which can provide a good entry point if you are looking to join the trend. Now, as for consolidation zones, if you see the price moving sideways, like what we can see happening around here, you see the price moving sideways within two parallel support or resistance zones, that's a consolidation zone. Okay, so these zones are great for identifying range bound markets and can give you an idea of when to enter trades within that range. So how do we use the support and resistance indicator to make better trades? The first is spotting entry and exit points. Okay, the most straightforward way to use the indicator is to look for areas where price is likely to reverse. If price is approaching a support level, for example, and you see a strong bullish reversal candlestick pattern, like we can see what happened here, and you see a, that's a potential buy signal when you spot a bullish reversal candlestick pattern around the support. Okay, similarly, if price is nearing a resistance and then you spot a bearish pattern, it might be time to sell. Now, in terms of identifying breakouts, a breakout occurs when price moves beyond a support or a resistant level. Okay, so this can signal a new trend. All right, and you can see how price moved beyond this resistance. Okay, so it could signal the start of an uptrend. Similarly, a break below support can signal the start of a downtrend. Okay, now in the aspect of setting stop loss and take profits, okay, the support and resistance indicator can help you to manage risk, because once they've shown you your levels, you can just place your stop loss above resistance for sell trades or below support for buy trades. Okay, then it's also important for you to get confirmation. It's always best to use the indicator in conjunction with other tools such as trend indicators, or you can use oscillators just to confirm your trade setup. For example, you can decide to use the moving averages, for example, just for confirmation. I'm just going to add a moving average to the chart. So for example, okay, I'm just going to remove this one. I'll add another moving average. All right. Okay, so I'm just going to add the exponential moving average to the chart. So while the indicator gives you support and resistance levels, you can just use moving average for a confirmation. For example, when you have price bouncing off a resistance, you can just wait for the price to drop below the moving average as a confirmation tool. And when price is bouncing off a support, you can wait for price to climb above the moving average for a confirmation tool. You can use any other indicator of your choice, actually. Okay, now let's quickly go over a few mistakes to avoid when using the support resistance indicator. The first is ignoring price action. While the indicator gives you a good visual representation of support and resistance, it's important not to ignore price action. Always watch for candlestick patterns and other confirmations before entering trades. Okay, another mistake is forgetting to adjust your levels. The market is dynamic and support and resistance levels change as new price data comes in. Okay, so don't be afraid to adjust your indicator levels or even delete old ones that no longer apply. And finally, overtrading is bad. Just because there's a support or resistance level doesn't mean that you should enter a trade right away. Okay, wait for confirmation from price action and other indicators before taking a position. So there you have it. That's how you can use one of the best. It may not exactly be the best for everyone, okay, but there are several indicators that can use for that can give you support and resistance zones. Okay, so but basically this is the one that we talked about in this particular video, and it can help you to improve your trades. So by identifying key levels and using them strategically, you can take your trading to the next level. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future tips and strategies. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading.